Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super delicious and very crispy chicken tenders. They're fairly easy to make and they're very flavorful. I'll leave the full recipe in the description box or you can check it out on my Instagram. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on for more videos like this one. Mix the ingredients together really well, then cover the container and keep it marinating in the fridge for 4 hours. Pick one of your hands to handle the wet ingredients and the other one only for the dry ingredients. First coat the chicken tender in the flour and paprika mix, then onto the eggs, and lastly cover it with panko. Wait until the oil is at a medium-high temperature and drop 2 to 3 chicken tenders at a time. Cook them until they're golden brown, and then when they're done, place it on a plate with paper towel. And that's it for today's video. Dip your chicken tenders in some honey mustard dressing, ketchup, or even eat it plain. If you like this video, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. See you next time!